My students, we are now on page 69. On this page we have exercise number 8. It should be as homework for you. It is very simple and easy. It will be as an activity. We have was, wasn't, were, weren't. It should be put in the correct gap. But let's move to exercise number 9, which is as a conversation. It need to be completed. We have answers and we need to choose the correct question from the box. At the beginning, let's read the questions that are existed in the box. I will start reading. And how did you like it? Number 2. How long were you in South Africa? Number 3. How was your vacation in Africa? Number 4. And how long were you in Namibia? Number 5. How was the weather? Now the first one is written and done for you. I will read it, then we will complete. The first one, how was your vacation in Africa? This one is done and it is chosen from the box. The answer for it, which is written, it was a great trip. I really enjoyed South Africa and Namibia. Now I will read the answer in order to be able to choose the correct question for it. The answer says for 10 days. We talk now about Namibia and Africa. Therefore, when we say for 10 days, now we ask now about the period of time, the length of time. Therefore, we can choose, yes, how long were you in South Africa? How long? I asked about the period of time you stayed in South Africa. Yes, which is the second one. Now we will move to the next. I was in Namibia for about 5 days. Now in this question we also ask about the period of time, but now we ask about the period in Namibia, not in Africa. Therefore we need to choose another question, which is, and how long were you in Namibia? And how long were you in Namibia? This is the suitable question for this answer. Now we will move to the next. We have the answer. It was hot and sunny the whole time. Yes, now when I say it was hot and sunny, I will ask now about the weather. Yes. The beginning of this question is written for you. Wow, that's a long time. That's a long time. We need to ask about the weather now. The suitable question for this, which is the last one in the box, we say, how was the weather? How was the weather? Yes. Now, the last one, let's move to it. Oh, it was wonderful and the wildlife was terrific. We saw some meerkats. Meerkats is a kind of animal which is called meerkats. Yes, it was wonderful and the wildlife was terrific. We saw some meerkats. Now we ask about what? About the things that were favorite for you, the things that you liked. Therefore, the suitable question for this, I can say, and how did you like it? Yes, and how did you like it? Yes, this is the end of our exercise number 9. Now my students, I will finish now my lecture and I will write some papers in order to be clearer for you. We may have another lecture next week. For any question you can ask me.